Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your own facial mist instead of buying it on the market that are super expensive. And some of the ingredients that we're going to be using today are, you can probably find it in your bathroom, and some of them that you might be using in your own skincare routine. So I will show you guys how to use all of them. So let's go ahead and start. Make sure that you do have a spray bottle, and make sure it's a dark bottle, so that way it protects your mist from the UV rays from the sun. And just a little container is also good for that. I'm going to be using my mask container, and the first thing that we are going to use is the aloe vera. So as you guys can see, this is like 99% pure aloe vera gel, and there is no exact measure here. You're going to be measuring everything like with your own eyes, if it makes any sense. And I'm going to use my toner today. Usually the witch hazel is the best option to use because how natural that is. But since I don't have a witch hazel, I end up using Clarins toner for dry skin, and it doesn't have alcohol in it, and it has a chamomile extract in it, which is really good for calming your skin. So I end up using like a half bottle of the toner that I have. It's like a sample bottle and I mixed all of those really well before adding any oils. And then we're gonna use hyaluronic acid serum for that. So hyaluronic acid is like one of the best ingredients. I mean, I would say like a product that you can add in your facial mist because how hydrating that is, you know. So I added about 10 drops of my hyaluronic acid serum into the mix, and mix it really well. And after that I started using my essential oil. So I did use 3 different types of oils here: rosemary, lavender, and melaleuca. And all the oils that I'm using, by the way, are very strong. So you want to make sure that you are adding only few drops, like 3 to 4 drops. And especially the melaleuca oil, you don't need too much of it, just 2 drops is enough. And by the way, this mist is really good for acne prone skin as well. And I'm gonna use my booster. This is from Clarins. This booster helps to boost the benefits of all the ingredients that we're adding into the mix. Like, it really does boost the benefits of it. So I added about 10 drops of it into the mix, and mix it really well. And you want to make sure that the water that you're using is distilled water, or you can even use your let's say purified water that you drink every day. So make sure it's not right out of the sink, it's just something that's purified and clean. So I added a half cup of distilled water and mixed it really well. That's good. So I'm using my spray bottle that I bought a couple days ago, and I poured everything in the bottle. You can even store the mixture into the fridge and then keep it cool. And you know, especially in the morning, it's a lot of people like cooling feeling of the mist. So this is what I usually do as well. And the dark bottle actually helps your mist to protect from UV rays from the sun, so it doesn't get spoiled that quickly. And there we go, our mist is ready, guys. As you guys can see, I just woke up and I started using this mist, and the smell of all the essential oils are, oh my goodness, it is like heaven. Seriously. And especially for my dry skin, all the oils are gonna help to heal the dryness of my skin. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you want more of this, and I'm gonna see you guys very soon. Thanks for watching.